Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Coinbase Exchange. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their Coinbase tokenized stocks, or coin, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Coinbase is an American cryptocurrency exchange platform that was co-founded by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam in 2012. You can buy and sell more than 200 cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, and you can turn your everyday purchases into crypto rewards with the Coinbase Visa debit card, which means that you can earn crypto without actually buying it. If you are new to crypto trading, you can check out the beginner's guides provided to learn about the basics of trading. You can also earn free crypto by learning how specific protocols work, and for each quiz you complete, Coinbase will reward you with free crypto. Coinbase also offers an exciting range of rare NFTs that you can collect, and you can store your NFTs in your Coinbase wallet. While most other exchanges allow you to take out loans on cryptocurrencies, Coinbase allows you to take out cash loans if you use Bitcoin as collateral. Using your Bitcoin as collateral on Coinbase is a safe alternative to selling it in volatile markets, and you can get cash without actually selling your Bitcoin. Coinbase offers more than 200 cryptocurrencies, and you can find a list of all the available assets by clicking on the Explore tab. To view their contact details, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on Contact Us under the Support menu. Their customer support team can be reached through live chat and direct email addresses, and phone numbers are also provided. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section, where you will find detailed guides and tutorials, and to see if your questions have already been answered. You can find in-depth beginner's guides on many different cryptocurrencies here. You can also use the search bar to find what you're looking for and read through the articles provided to learn more about managing your account and trading cryptocurrencies. The Coinbase Exchange is suitable for both retail and corporate clients, as well as casual crypto enthusiasts and developers who are interested in using the Coinbase frameworks to build Web3 applications and crypto payment systems. If you'll be signing up as a casual or retail client, simply click on the Individuals tab. Here you will find more information about the Coinbase Wallet, the Coinbase Card, their NFT marketplace, derivatives trading, and how you can earn free crypto. In this video, we'll be focusing mainly on what Coinbase offers to casual and retail crypto traders. However, businesses can benefit a great deal from Coinbase's white label solutions and crypto infrastructure, so we highly recommend checking out what's on offer if you're looking for ways to upgrade your business and be more innovative. Firstly, let's start with the Coinbase Wallet. Once you have created your account, you'll need somewhere safe to store your NFTs and cryptocurrencies, so we would recommend downloading the Coinbase Wallet as soon as you've made your account. Once you have a wallet, you can safely store all your digital assets in one place, and you can use this wallet to explore decentralized applications. If you are interested in buying and collecting NFTs, simply click on NFT under the Individuals menu. You will be redirected to their NFT marketplace, where you can browse thousands of NFTs, follow your favorite artists, and build your collection. You can also earn free crypto by completing quizzes and tasks, and this is a great way for beginners to own their first cryptocurrency without actually buying it. If you would like to learn the basics of crypto trading, click on the Learn tab and choose a topic from the drop-down menu. You will find direct links to articles, tips and tutorials, crypto guides, as well as market updates. You can also click on Earn under the Individuals menu, or scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click on Earn Free Crypto to jump to the courses that reward you with free crypto. However, Coinbase Earn is not the only way you can earn more. You can also earn referral rewards, earn interest on your crypto, and use the Coinbase cards to send crypto or US dollars anywhere in the world, and earn rewards while doing so. Coinbase does not currently offer a native utility token. However, you can buy Coinbase Tokenized stocks, or a coin, which is a digital asset that mimics the price action of publicly traded stocks in this company. What this means simply is that the coin you buy will not be seen as a crypto asset, but will instead be classified as a Class A common stock that will be traded on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. We would recommend buying coin from the Bittrex crypto exchange or FTX. Coinbase also offers a USD-pegged stablecoin that is redeemable for US dollars on a one-to-one basis. The USD Coin is a collaboration between Coinbase, Circle, and the Center Consortium, and Coinbase clients can exchange their USD coins for US dollars. It is an ERC20 token that can be used with any application or wallet that supports ERC20 tokens, and it is a programmable digital dollar that can be used to buy digital assets and use dApps. USDC is available on Coinbase with the Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon networks. Coinbase offers a secure mobile wallet that you can use to browse and access decentralized applications and store thousands of NFTs and cryptocurrencies. The Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet that gives you all the control, and it can also be used to store Ethereum and Polygon NFTs. You can easily link your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account, and this wallet offers additional layers of security to make sure your assets are protected. If you'll be storing USD coins, then any ERC20 compatible wallet can be used, but we recommend using the Coinbase wallet because of how secure and versatile it is. You can easily create an account with Coinbase Exchange in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the Coinbase Exchange homepage and then click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field. Next, verify your email address and account and submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Once you have created an account, you can fund your account and start buying cryptocurrencies. The payment methods you can use will depend basically on your region. Australian and Canadian customers can use debit cards, but Canadian customers can also use PayPal. If you live in Europe, the United Kingdom, or the United States, you will also be able to use PayPal. Customers from the United States will be able to use Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit cards, and wire transfers. For customers living in the United Kingdom, PayPal, SEPA transfers, and 3D secure payments are allowed. If you are living in European countries, you can also use SEPA transfers, 3D secure, Apple Pay, and Ideal or so forth. Clients living in Singapore will be allowed to use debit or credit cards that support 3D secure payments. To find out more about the payment methods you can use and which payment methods are best for adding funds or making withdrawals, head over to the FAQ section and select your region from the list under Add a Payment Method. So what do we like about Coinbase Exchange? We consider Coinbase to be one of the most trusted and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. The Coinbase Wallet is also one of the most safest and most versatile wallets that you can use to store your NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and other digital assets. Coinbase has currently more than 98 million clients worldwide, and there are over 190 cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell on the Coinbase exchange. If you are new to crypto trading, you can learn about crypto and earn crypto for free with the Coinbase Earn program, and beginners tutorials are provided. More experienced crypto traders can use a more advanced trading platform with additional tools and features using Coinbase Pro. Coinbase also offers a stablecoin that can be used to buy digital assets and use decentralized applications, and it can also be converted to US dollars and is a borderless digital dollar that can be sent to family and friends anywhere in the world. If you are interested, be sure to open your Coinbase account today and head over to the Rewards Hub to see how you can earn more with Coinbase. And that is our overview of Coinbase. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.